'cause we have our backs whenever our foes stand by. This time we will win. This time we'll...
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Analyst Podcast.
And if it wasn't evident from my cosplay, we are at Mumbai Comic Con, day one. Let the action begin.
have to join forces.
Okay, so now we are going to ask a few cosplayers a few questions. What are their interaction? So let's go. Few questions for you. What are your top 3 anime?
Okay, my top 3 has to be One Piece, Naruto, and Dragon Ball Z.
One Piece, One Piece, and One Piece.
Gintama, One Piece, and Monster.
Dragon Ball Z and One Piece. As of now, Attack of the Titan as well.
Okay, cosplayer Rara, Radio Rasp. We got a few questions for you.
Sure.
What are your top 3 anime?
Hunter, Hunter, Nana, and The Promised Neverland.
Oh, let's see. I am an Inuyasha girl,
Nice.
but Nana first, then Inuyasha, and then Full Metal Alchemist.
Nice. Okay. Out of all anime characters, which anime character had the best glow up?
Glow up. So many. I would say, okay, I'm dressed as One Piece, but I'm gonna go for Naruto here. I'm gonna say Itachi, Obito. Yeah, Obito. Let's stick to it. No, don't say that. Okay, he had like a repentance. He came late, but he came there. They right the roast time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of all the anime characters, which anime character had the best glow up?
I would say Dr. Tenna from Monster only.
Okay.
Kobe.
True. Okay.
Best grow up.
Glow up.
Best glow up.
Yeah.
I would go with Attack of the Titan on that. Eren Yeager.
Uh-huh.
Glow up, glow up. Yeah, I would have to say Itadori Yuji.
Let's grow up. Why can't I think of anything? I think Bond.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rapid fire round. Okay. What is Gojo's domain expansion called?
See, I know what it is. I know what it looks like, but I don't know the name. Like his eyes become like really
Yeah, like,
sparkly blue.
yes,
and
exactly.
It's like एक शीशा type का कुछ होता
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
When it expands.
Yes.
I know what it is, but I don't know the name. I know what it is. You know, I know what
Yeah,
it is.
I know you know,
Purple
but
color
it's-
light. I don't know what the name is.
Domain expansion का नाम क्या है?
I से कुछ है. I
I don't know.
But you know, I know it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know it.
I know that you
हाँ,
know, but
let
they
us
don't
find.
know that I know that you know.
यार वो blue color का होता है बड़ा सा like शीशा का कुछ होता है. Infinity War. Thank you. Yes.
Infinity, infinite, void.
Yeah. Infinite void. Yes. Let's start with the rapid fire round. Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Quick answers. What is Gojo's domain expansion called?
Infinite something.
Infinite something. Nice.
Yes.
Infinite void.
He won't mind it. The Infinite Void.
Correct.
I didn't watch JJK.
Okay.
It's something purple. I don't know. I forgot.
Wrong. Infinite void.
Infinite.
Okay. Next question. What is Deku's quirk?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I am a Naruto fan. ये तो I'm dressed as because it's sexy. So you said it, I heard you.
I know my dialogues only.
What is Deku's quirk called?
What is what?
Deku from My Hero Academia. What's his quirk?
I forgot.
Okay. Next.
Deku score. All for one. One for all. Yeah, sorry.
What is Deku's quirk?
All Might. Oh, one for all, one for all.
Work.
What is the name of Deku's quirk?
Plus Ultra. क्या था उसका नाम?
One for all.
One for all. Okay, I don't remember. मैंने हीरो गार्ड बहुत बकवास एनिमे है क्या बोलूं?
What are the big 3 anime?
Okay, of course it is One Piece, it's Naruto, and it's Bleach.
Nice.
One Piece, Bleach and Naruto.
Correct.
One Piece, Naruto, Dragon Ball Z और Bleach में से कोई एक है.
Bleach. You got it right.
Okay.
Nice.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Name the big three in anime.
Akira Toriyama, Oda, and
Not mangakas. The big three anime.
the big three anime. Yeah, you go Dragon Ball Z, you go Naruto, and One Piece.
Okay, Dragon Ball Z is not a part of the big three.
Akira?
Bleach.
I have Bleach. God damn it.
Bleach, Naruto और ये Dragon Ball.
One Piece.
One Piece.
Ah.
Naruto, Dragon Ball, and One Piece for me.
Nahin, you're wrong. Just one. Wrong by one.
So we have Dragon Ball, Z. Though we don't have Dragon Ball in big thing.
No.
Okay, we have One Piece, we have Naruto.
Yeah.
So there's a third one.
Yeah.
And it's not a Dragon Ball.
It's not Dragon Ball.
Holy shit, why is it?
Something I've done to my hair.
But you are a Naruto character.
Yeah. Something that I have done to my hair.
The color, the blonde thing.
I'll give you a hint. The attack name is Bankai.
Bankai.
Okay, it's Bleach.
Oh shit.
Okay, last question.
No, I agree with that one. Yeah, the big three, you can include that.
Yeah. Okay, who's the creator of Dragon Ball Z?
I knew it. M से नाम है उसका, if I'm not wrong. Am I wrong? Okay, I am
You're
wrong.
wrong, yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Thanks for playing with us.
Thank you. But
Who is the creator of Dragon Ball Z?
I don't know. I know Oda. That's it.
Oh yeah, One Piece fan. Okay, thanks for playing. Okay, last question.
Yeah.
Who was the creator of Dragon Ball Z?
Akira Toriyama. Yes.
Like, it sucks that we have to ask this question this year as well, because last year when we asked this question, none of the people knew the answer to.
that would be
sucks.
sad.
Yeah. Okay, last question. Dragon Ball Z के creator का नाम क्या है?
Akira? Yeah.
Full name?
Toriyama? No.
Toriyama. Akira Toriyama.
Okay.
Okay, thank you Rara for playing.
Thank
Last question. Who is the creator of Dragon Ball Z?
Akira Toriyama, sadly. Like,
Any thoughts about Toriyama?
Yeah.
I mean, it's very sad because what I liked about Akira Toriyama was not only the storyline, the character development is the part
Yeah.
what I like the most. But yeah, his demise was really sad. I hope he could have lived more and can share more stories
Indeed.
with us. I was really looking forward for the season 2, but
Mhm.
I think so. We
Next
have
time.
to wait.
Yeah.
But still, he will be. I mean, the character he made, Goku, will
Exactly.
be forever.
It's iconic.
So
Yeah.
he's already a legend, and he left something for something that even our coming generations gonna know
Appreciate.
about it and
Yeah.
appreciate it. So yeah, but we miss you, Toriyama Sensei.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Thank you for being a great sport.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. What's the channel name?
It's Analyst Podcast.
Analyst
so
Podcast. Yes,
don't forget
that-
to like and subscribe the channel.
Exactly, guys. Please do like and subscribe. And yeah, you all have a great day.
Okay. One Kamehameha.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. So it's time to
Oh,
go
shit.
further beyond.
I like this guy. All right, let's do this.
Vandalism.
It's not vandalism.
Branding. Personal branding.
कॉमिक ऑन डे 1 अभी जस्ट खत्म हुआ है और ये सब लोग पैसा काउंटिंग चालू.
Stop doing that. Don't do that. Don't zoom in. मतलब
How was your day?
सब पैसा दिखाते नहीं है दूसरों का. My day was nice. We shot a lot of content. Like compared to last year, ऐसा नहीं था कि I was exhausted. Like हाँ मैं थक गया हूँ, but I'm not exhausted as compared to last year because we ate food. We learned from our mistakes last year. We did not do the same mistakes. We shot a lot of content as compared to last year. Like we shot more Vox Pop content. We shot more quizzes. We shot with more cosplayers, and all of it was fun. was really fun. Day 2 tomorrow we'll be doing more of shopping for ourselves. Content wise उतना नहीं होगा. Like today our entire day was like 80% content and 20% for ourselves. Tomorrow it will be more of a 40% content and 60% for ourselves. So yeah, that was day 1 of Comic Con. On to day 2.